Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce myself as Anna Ramos, and here is my ID. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my speech, and what I am going to be talking to you guys today is pretty much my views and opinions of why all colleges here in the United States should offer free tuition for all students. Now, there's many motivating factors as to why students want to go to college. It could be either they're going to be striving for a better career, they want to earn higher income, become more knowledgeable, whatever it may be. We all have a certain goal in mind. Now, there's many reasons as to why many people can't go to college. It could be if their financial aid isn't approved, or they just don't have the means to go to college. Now, this can become a big stress factor on not just the student, but as for the family as well, because they have to deal with the financial hardships of paying for it. Now, we want to come to a middle ground where we can all benefit from furthering our education without having to pay so much for our education. And since paying for tuition is a big stress factor for many college students, we want to eliminate that huge stress factor so college students can focus on what's more important, which is their studies. Now, as far as student loan debt, you may notice that their interest rates for their student loans are extremely high, which can make it almost impossible for them to be paid off within a matter of years, which can lead to many Americans to go into debt. Now, if you look at this chart for student loan debt from the years of 2003 to 2017, you can see that it has completely skyrocketed. Now, if you look at this 2019 budget, you can see that only 5% of it goes towards our educational system, which is pretty small compared to everything else. Now, if the government can adjust the budget for education, it can allow more funding for schools, students, and even teachers as well. Now, as far as other countries go, such as France, Sweden, Norway, and Germany, they have already implemented free tuition for many colleges. Now, some of these countries have even allowed U.S. citizens to have the same advantage as their natives would, which is offering them free college tuition for them as well. Now, this gives many students the opportunity to travel a new country and experience it, and also gives them a chance to save money. Now, however, if we can implement the same ideas that other countries already do, then it can save many Americans a lot of money as well. This opportunity makes it easier for students to reach their goal in graduating college and gives others a chance to start the process as well. It gives many Americans the chance to advance in their career and also lets them find their true passion and gives them a chance to put their skills to the test. And also, by going to college, it can generate more income, but now you won't have to worry about paying off those pesky student loans. Now, education gives people the opportunity to create more jobs, more businesses, which overall can benefit our economy. Now, what we can start by doing as students, as teachers, we can start by holding down conversations as to why free education is important to us, and hopefully get the attention of congressmen, so hopefully they can make a change in the bill or in government spending. Now, when Congress finds a way to remove student loan debt and put a bill into place, free tuition will ultimately become the reality. Okay, now with that being said, thank you guys so much for listening to my speech. And hopefully this will start up a conversation and make an impact. Thank you.